I thought we'd get more out of this roof. It should not have failed this soon. Yeah, I'll let you know.
We should have gone with Landmark.
I'm just not sure which shingles to go with. There's so many options.
I think we should go with Landmark. Our contractor said they have the best warranty in the industry, and he even put them on his own house. Plus, I love the way they look. This color is perfect for us. I think we'll regret it if we go with anything else.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go with Landmark.
I know the perfect spot for these.
Protect the things you value most with Landmark Shingles from CertainTeed. Dual layered for extra dimensionality and protection from the elements. And backed by the industry's best manufacturer's warranty. It's a decision you'll never regret. Landmark offers a wide range of colors that complement any home exterior, immediately improving the curb appeal and aesthetics. Landmark is engineered with StreakFighter anti-algae protection for greater performance and lasting beauty. Our CertaSeal technology helps protect against wind uplift and moisture infiltration, along with our QuadraBond advanced layering technology that fuses shingle layers together for long-term durability and performance. Plus, our innovative NailTrak nailing line for contractors allows installations to hit the mark, so each shingle is fastened properly. The Landmark series is also available with Solaris Cool Roof technology for solar reflectivity, and ClimateFlex for improved impact resistance, providing you protection no matter the climate. For peace of mind now and in the future, choose Landmark Shingles from CertainTeed. It's the name you trust and the protection you deserve. For more information, visit CertainTeed.com.